Stuffing tomatoes with an Italian breadcrumb filling takes the flavor to the next level. It's the perfect easy side dish or vegetarian main course. Fine ripened tomatoes are tender, juicy, and sweet and hold their shape well when baked. For stuffing, I found that the perfect size to be about 4 ounces in weight and 2.5 inches in diameter. You can use larger beefsteak or heirloom tomatoes, but I recommend cutting them in half. Rinse the surface of the tomatoes with cool running water. This removes any dirt and debris from harvesting. You don't want any to transfer into the flesh when slicing. To prepare the tomatoes for stuffing, we're going to slice off the tops. Use a pointy spoon or grapefruit spoon to remove the pulpy seeds and core. If needed, scoop out more of the seeds from the flesh. This cavity creates room for stuffing. The tomatoes are going to be really juicy, so just drain it off into a bowl. For larger tomatoes, cut in half lengthwise. This will create 2 halves. Trim off any stem. For larger tomato halves, do the same scooping and removing process. Trim the stem if needed. Tomatoes are composed of over 90% water, and it's going to create a really soggy stuffing if left in the cavity. To draw out some of the moisture, just season with a little bit of salt. This will make the tomatoes enhanced in their sweetness and flavor. To drain the juices, just turn the tomato cut side down onto a paper towel. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes while you're making the stuffing. To make the stuffing, we're going to add some freshly minced garlic. You can't make Italian stuffed tomatoes without garlic. Chop up some parsley. I like to trim the leaves with my knife. Give it a chop. Some fresh basil. Slice into thin strips. This is my absolutely favorite Italian stuffing recipe. Add a half a cup of Italian style breadcrumbs, a half cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon chopped parsley, 1 tablespoon chopped basil, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, of extra virgin olive oil. Just mix everything together until it's combined and well coated with the oil. The fat helps it get nice and crispy on the surface. Now it's time to stuff the salted tomatoes. Add just enough stuffing so that it fills the cavity, lightly packing it in. I typically use about 3 to 4 tablespoons depending on the size. I like to pat down the top. Lightly grease the bottom of a baking dish with olive oil. This helps to prevent sticking and add some flavor to the tomatoes. Place the stuffed tomatoes in the dish. Drizzle about a half teaspoon of olive oil on top for extra crunch. Bake at 400 degrees until the tomatoes are soft and the skin just starts to wrinkle and the surface is golden brown and crispy, about 20 to 25 minutes. Wow, the tomatoes smell amazing. The crust is nice and crunchy. Stuffed tomatoes are really fun and easy to customize. Try these different ways to switch up the filling. Add some steamed white rice or brown rice. Add vegetables like bell peppers or zucchini, or for summer, corn. For extra protein, add some ground beef, shredded chicken, or ground turkey. I like to add extra herbs and spices like cumin, coriander, some paprika, or fresh herbs like parsley, basil, or oregano. For a tangy flavor, add cream cheese, mozzarella, feta, or goat cheese. For a simple lunch, you don't even have to bake the tomatoes, just stuff it with some tuna salad. Now that you know how to make stunning stuffed tomatoes, what fillings would you add? Let me know in the comment section below. For the full recipe, head over to my website, jessicagavin.com. See you in the next video.